And just knowing that if one slip up, I can lose it all. You know what I'm saying? I know I gotta get up every day and do it better than I did yesterday. That's what keeps me going.
You feel me? Like right on, like, you know what I mean? Like we gotta do it better than we did it yesterday. That's striving for excellence. That's when you're talking about mastering your trade. Because as a black person in America, man, we do one thing, we done fail, and they put us back to square one. So right on, Heiko. That's some great game. Peace, black people. We are important. We are worth support.